She spotted me. Oh no. Hello, darling. Jelly. Catnip everywhere. Dahlia. What's up with you? Hey you. I'm chilled now. She loves catnip, and all I did was put some into an old sock. That's the other old sock cover in it. Ooh, ooh. Somebody's grumpy. He's a grumpy pot on the catnip. You don't need to buy big expensive toys, just put catnip in socks and tie them up. She loves it. And that's Dahlia, the grumpy auntie, to my black and white kitties. She doesn't really come in anymore because she doesn't like all the cats. But she loves catnip. She's beautiful, isn't she? And ginger on her. I'm not going to try and pet her right now. Dahlia. Bye, big beauty.